I used to refresh my P&L every 30 seconds. Every red number wasn't just a loss. It was a verdict. It was proof. It whispered it, then shouted it. You are a loser. If you've ever felt your identity shrink with every losing trade, this is the story of how I broke free from that prison. And it started the day I banned one word from my vocabulary. If I am to describe the old reality, the compulsive chart staring, the hiding of statements from my partners, the constant comparisons to successful traders online, I wasn't just losing money, I was losing myself. The worst part? I started to believe the story. I traded like a loser because that's who I thought I was. It became a self-fulfilling prophecy. Then came the loss. Not the biggest in dollars, but the one that broke the illusion. I broke every rule. I revenge traded. I doubled down on stupidity. And when the dust settled, I didn't feel anger. I felt nothing. A terrifying numbness. In that quiet, empty space, a clear thought appeared. If you keep calling yourself this, you will become it. Permanently. That day, I made a rule. I could say I took a loss. I could say that was a mistake. But I could never again call myself a loser. The word was banned. Instantly, something changed. A loss was no longer an identity stamp. It was just data. It was feedback. My new word became learner. A learner analyzes, adapts, and continues. A loser just loses. I started a journal. At the top of every page, it said, I am a learner. My reviews changed from, I'm so stupid, to, what does this data tell me? My posture at the screen changed. My breathing changed. I began to see losses as the tuition fee for my trading education. The market didn't change. My rules didn't drastically change. But the meaning I assigned to every event changed completely. Your task this week is simple but profound. Ban the identity label. Catch yourself. When you hear I'm such a loser, or I'm a failure, stop. Say it out loud. I am a learner. This loss is my lesson. Write it on a sticky note. Say it before you open your charts. Subscribe and hit the bell, because in the next video, we'll talk about the specific journaling method I used to cement this new identity. In the comments, I want to know, what's one word you need to ban from your trading vocabulary? Let's build this community of learners together.